Welcome to Matt Talks Mortgage. In this channel, we are going to talk about anything and everything you need to know to prepare purchasing a home or refinancing a home. Today we're tackling a big question we get a lot. So someone might be in a tight time crunch to sell their current house and get a new one. So they're asking, can we really close a mortgage in less than 30 days? So the short answer is yes, you can, but it takes some preparation, responsiveness. You have to have the right team up front. Typically, the mortgage timeline is anywhere from 30 to 45 days in Texas. And that's everything from application to keys in hand. So the timeline is going to include things like submitting your loan to our processing team. They're going to review income documentation. They're going to make sure we represent you as well as we possibly can to the underwriting team. The underwriting team is going to match the application to the documents that we have in file and give us a conditional loan approval. Then we're going to get an appraisal back while all of this is happening. The title company is going to be working on their work. And once that is all done, we're going to submit your loan back for final approval. Now, by doing our homework up front, meaning collecting all of your documentation up front, calculating your income up front, making sure we're communicating with our team, your realtor, and all parties involved is going to help your loan close much sooner than 30 days. And in many instances, we're actually helping our clients close anywhere from, maybe 15 to 18 days. So there's a few major factors we're going to look at that's either going to speed up the process or slow down your closing. One, we're going to look at loan type. So the first loan type are conventional loans, and those often close faster than FHA or VA loans. What we want to have the buyer prepared in hand. So we want to make sure that you guys have things like tax returns handy if you're self-employed, W-2s, we want to have bank statements, we want to have pay stubs, we want to have essentially everything we're going to need up front and saved in your file. Also, we want to make sure that we're choosing an appraisal management company that's going to move quickly and get the appraisal in as quickly as possible. So we want to make sure they accept your order and return your order in a really quick time frame. Next, we want to pick a lender because we are a mortgage broker and we have access to about 100 different lenders to find the combination of the best interest rate and the best service. We're going to find a lender that has the best turnaround time. Typically, that's about 24 hours from submitting your loan application to receiving a conditional loan approval. Next, we're going to look at a few strategies that we can use to close in under 30 days. These are proven strategies that I use with buyers to help them close very quickly. The first thing is get fully pre-approved up front. So we talked about that, and it eliminates most of the underwriting hurdles from the get-go. So that way, as soon as we submit your loan application, we'll have that clean loan approval within 24 hours. Next is responding quickly to the lender as well as my team. Now, even a 2-day delay, a 1-day delay could push closing back anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. So while in process, make sure to check your texts and emails multiple times a day. If your realtor sends you documents to sign, like an updated purchase contract, sign it immediately. As long as we feel good about the property not needing any repairs, we're going to order the appraisal immediately after the contract and the initial disclosures are signed. This can easily cause a week delay if we do not order that up front. And then lastly, we want to choose the right loan type, right? Conventional loans can sometimes close in anywhere from 15 to 18 days, even with FHA and VA loans. But if we choose the wrong loan type for your specific situation, it could cause extra documentation. It can cause extra hurdles that maybe we can't see until we get updated documentation. And so we want to make sure that what we're doing from beginning to end is choosing the right team, loan program, choosing the right lender, and choosing the right strategy to ensure that we can close much sooner than the 30 days. So here's a quick example. Imagine a buyer purchasing a $475,000 house here in Frisco. Now, they completed underwriting up front. We ordered the appraisal the day the contract was signed and worked with my preferred title company. Because of that, we were able to get conditional loan approval back within 24 hours. We were able to get the appraisal back that same week and the title work back the same week as well. What that allowed us to do is send everything back in for final approval within 10, maybe 11 days of the process starting. And then from there, we were able to close in about 15 days from contract signed till sitting down and closing at the closing table. In short, yes, closing a mortgage in 30 days is definitely possible, but the key is to be prepared, be responsive throughout the process, and you have to work with the right mortgage advisor and local team. So if you are buying in a competitive market like Dallas or Frisco or Fort Worth or really anywhere in the DFW Metroplex, we want to make sure that your offer is standing out, and speed can be a powerful strategy. If you want to get a little bit more guidance on how we can close a loan in less than 30 days, or if your specific situation requires it, reach out and we can go over the right strategy to get that done.